Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to tell if your eyes are tired. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. I'll be going over 5 ways for you to figure out whether or not your eyes are tired, okay? Now, generally speaking, people will know that their eyes are tired. They'll start to feel certain things and experience certain things. So these are 5 specific things to sort of keep your eyes open for, no pun intended. And they'll tell you that, you know, if you're experiencing these things, your eyes are likely going to be tired. Let's get into this. Number 1 is that your eyes feel heavy. If your eyes feel like there's almost like weights attached to them, like they just feel heavy, then chances are your eyes are tired. Now, your eyes can be tired even if you are feeling awake. Maybe you feel awake because you had, you know, a coffee or a juice, or you just had an exhilarating moment, but your eyes can still feel tired. So essentially, if your eyes feel heavy, then that is a big sign that your eyes are tired, and that is number 1. Heavy feeling eyes. If they just feel heavy and they feel sort of like they have weights on them, okay? Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is your eyes feel strained. If your eyes feel strained, like if you're holding them open and it feels like almost like a strain to hold them open or a strain to keep them open, then definitely it is a big sign that your eyes are tired. So if your eyes feel strained, that is a huge factor in determining whether or not your eyes feel tired. If your eyes feel strained, then chances are your eyes are tired, and that's number 2. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is that your eyes feel itchy. Now, when your eyes are tired, they tend to sometimes itch. This only happens to some people, it doesn't happen to everybody. And obviously, itchy eyes can be a sign of seasonal allergies or anything like that as well. So if your eyes feel itchy, if you get an itchy feeling in your eyes and you're not used to that, like as part of a seasonal allergy or anything like that, then chances are your eyes are tired. So that's another factor and another thing to keep your eyes open for. Itchy feeling eyes that's sort of out of the regular for you, okay? Moving on to number 4. Number 4 is your eyes look droopy. If you look in the mirror and your eyes sort of look droopy compared to your regular, then definitely it means that your eyes are almost certainly tired. Now, everyone has different eye openings that are regular for them, meaning for some people it's normal to be like this, others it's normal to be like this, others it's normal to be like this, whatever, however much your eye sort of normally opens. So for me, if you look over here, my eyes sort of open like this, that's me being normal, right? So essentially, if I'm looking in the mirror and I look like this, then I know chances are my eyes are tired. Maybe your eyes are normally like this, right? If your eyes are normally like this, you know, and then you look in the mirror and they're like this, then chances are you're tired. So if your eyes look more droopy than they regularly are, if they look more closed than they regularly are, then chances are your eyes are tired, okay? Moving on to the last one for this video, which is number 5. Number 5 is that your eyes are too watery or too dry. So essentially, some people have more watery eyes, you know, and some people have eyes that are a little bit more dry. So whatever your normal is, if your eyes are more watery than your normal or more dry than your normal, then guess what? That is a good sign that your eyes are tired. It is just, you know, anything outside of the normal level of moisture for your eyes is definitely a sign that your eyes are tired. So it's something to keep your eyes open for and to address it if you do experience it. And that is truly it. Honestly, I have nothing else to say for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, but I got nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. Here we go. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.